In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy trick to type bold text in your Instagram posts. Instagram doesn't offer a built-in bold option. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround. Before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content. So I'm inside the Instagram app right now, creating a new post. I'll type something like how to free up storage. When I select the text, I can copy or cut it, but there's no option to make it bold. To fix this, first copy the text you want to bold, then exit Instagram and open your browser. Search for bold text generator. You'll see several websites in the results, and you can use any of them. Paste your text into the first box at the top, and the website will instantly convert it into bold text. It also gives you multiple bold font styles to choose from. I'll copy the second option since it looks really nice. Now just head back to Instagram, paste the bold text into your post caption and share it. That's it. You've successfully added bold text to your Instagram post in just a few simple steps. Try it out on your next post and make your caption stand out.